One cannot learn to drive a car by reading a driving manual. The same applies to learning tech skills. Theory can only give basic knowledge, but practice makes perfect. And MakeMyLabs helps you with exactly that. MML has enabled personalized learning paths with live virtual sandbox labs for tech learners. It provides an alternative learning infrastructures that stimulates real-world problems, run code, and help learners debug and make necessary alterations. Customized tech labs can seamlessly integrated with existing learning platforms and come with automation features like Smart Auto Suspend and Persistent Labs. 24/7 support is also available for learners to chat with experts and get their doubts cleared. A centralized dashboard provides managers with a unified overview of resources and allows them to monitor active login sessions. With the pandemic causing learning disruption, investing in e-learning initiatives and providing a virtual tech learning infrastructure within the existing platform is necessary to maximize learning outcomes. Newer models of learning should address the needs of the digital age. The virtual labs and allied tech infrastructure are the manna for the tech world. MML provides detailed reports for assessing performance and identify lacunae. Your solutions for hands-on tech learning is MML.